afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here at the beautiful Hudson Lake where we are showcasing another one of our walking trails or running here in Richmond County to celebrate the Year of the Trails in North Carolina. Today is the perfect day with great weather to use one of our many beautiful trails here in Richmond County, and we encourage you to come out to Hudson Lake at your leisure and convenience to use these beautiful trails to exercise and just enjoy time with nature. As for some more fun and entertainment, there will be a Cards Against Humanity game night for adults at Bisque in Hamlet tonight. Hail Mary's Tavern will also be open, and the lounge in Rockingham at Godfathers will be open with Thirsty Thursday specials, and they will also have the Hubert Gibson League for bowling at Strikers just next door to the lounge. And over at Double Vision, they will have a 9-ball pool tournament. And tonight is also the monthly meeting for the Richmond County Photography Group. That will be downtown Rockingham at Arts Richmond. Tomorrow night, Friday, January 20th, we have lots of options here in Richmond County. At Arts Richmond in downtown Rockingham, they will kick off the Love Lock Bridge project that will be similar to a bridge in Paris, France. They encourage everyone to bring your lock and key downtown to Arts Richmond to decorate, and these will be displayed in February to celebrate Valentine's Day. Also at Arts Richmond, they will have a painting class with Miss Susan Perkins, and you can sign up for that online. See their post on Facebook, and the class starts at 6. The Love Lock project will be at 5:30 until 7 o'clock, also Friday night. They're running at the same time. Around the corner at Hudson Brothers, they will have live music with Hardwired. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke with DJ Eric Whitfield. In Hamlet, Hail Mary's Tavern will have their Friday specials, and at Bisque, they will have a pottery class. Also on Friday, January 20th, Buie's Cotton Gin Restaurant in Hamlet will be having a steak and jazz night with live jazz music while you enjoy their delicious cooking and a steak. On Saturday, January 21st, there will be a Honey in the Rock Youth Rally at Auditorium, which is located on the campus of Richmond Community College. That starts at 5 o'clock, and you can find out more information about the event on Cole Auditorium's Facebook page and website. There will be a painting class, a canvas painting class at Bisque in Hamlet. In Rockingham, Double Vision, Avenue 133 will have live music. Also Saturday night, there will be bow tie karaoke at Hail Mary's Tavern in Hamlet. Nerdy Collective in Hamlet will also have a tournament Saturday night and Sunday, so make sure to see their Facebook page to see more details about those tournaments. Monday the 23rd, there will be more shag classes in Hamlet at the ballroom. You can see more details about the upcoming classes on Facebook. Look for Sam and Lisa West on there. Their shag page will give you all that information. There's a ribbon cutting on Tuesday the 24th in downtown Rockingham at Top Guns, courtesy of the Richmond County Chamber of Commerce. Make sure to see that information on their Facebook page as well. For more information on these events and more upcoming events here in Richmond County, visit our website, visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, and subscribe to our YouTube page, Visit Richmond County NC, to stay up to date with all of the fun we have going on here. I hope to see you out and about in Richmond. If not, I will see you next week.